Good morning students, welcome to geography class. In last class we learnt about solar system. What is solar system? The solar system is gravitationally bound system which comprises of the sun, the 8 planets, dwarf planets, comets, asteroids and meteoroids. Last class we saw the sun and the 8 planets of the solar system. Now we are going to study about dwarf planets. What is dwarf planets? It is a small planet but lacking certain technical criteria and it has not cleared the area around its orbit. Children, do you know how many planets in solar system? Very good. There are 8 planets in solar system. But before 2006, there are 9 planets in solar system. What is the name of the 9th planet? Yes, that is Pluto. This group made the final decision to demote Pluto to dwarf planet status. Students, do you know currently the International Astronomical Union recognized 5 dwarf planets, namely Pluto, Eris, Ceres, Makemake and Haumea. Next one, comets. A comet is a celestial object made up of a head and a tail. The head of a comet consists of solid particles held together by ice, and the tail is made up of gases. The one famous comet is there. Which one? The Halley's Comet is the most famous comet which comes close to the Earth every 76 years. That means it already appeared in 1986 and it will appear in 2061. Now 2020, it will appear in 2061. Okay. Next one, asteroids. Asteroids are small solid objects that move around the sun. They are found as a belt between two planets. What are the planets? Between Mars and Jupiter. Okay, they are also called as planetoids or minor planet. Next one, meteoroids. Meteoroids are small piece of rock or stone which move around the sun. In Tamil, meteoroids means vinkakkal. Sometimes these meteoroids fall to the earth after burning through our atmosphere, emitting lot of heat and light. Most of the meteorites reduced to dust due to friction. It is also called shooting stars. Next we are going to see the motion of the earth. The motion of the earth are divided into two categories. One is rotation, another one is revolution. Rotation means it is the spinning movement of the earth on its axis. Earth revolves itself like Shaktiman or cricket ball. The earth rotates from west to east, that means anti-clockwise, and takes 23 hours 56 minutes and 4.09 seconds to complete one rotation. Generally we consider 24 hours in one day. Next one, revolution. Revolution is the movement of the earth around the sun on its elliptical path. Earth takes 365.25 days to complete one revolution. But why we take it as 365 days called 1 year? Because of our convenience, the remaining quarter day is added once in every 4 years in the month of February. That is why February has 29 days once in 4 years. It is called leap year. Now we are going to see about the spheres of the earth. Earth can be divided into 4 natural spheres. The name of the each spheres from the Greek word. First one lithosphere, second hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. The word lithosphere is derived from the Greek word lithos, which means rocky. The lithosphere is the land on which we live. It is the solid outer layer of the earth consisting of rocks and soil. Next one, hydrosphere. The word hydro means water in Greek. The hydrosphere consists of water bodies such as ocean, seas, rivers, lakes, ice caps on mountains and water vapor in the atmosphere. Next one, atmosphere. The word atmo means air in Greek. Atmosphere is the envelope of air that surrounds the earth. The different types of gases make up the atmosphere. What are the gases? The nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, helium, argon and ozone. Next one, biosphere. Biosphere means the narrow belt of interaction among the lithosphere, the hydrosphere and the atmosphere, where life exists in known as atmosphere. Bio means what? Bio means life. Biosphere is the zone of life. Okay students, now we recall this unit. We already saw the solar system and 8 planets of the solar system, the sun. Okay. Now we study the dwarf planets. The International Astronomical Union recognized 5 dwarf planets. The names Pluto, Eris, Ceres, Makemake, Haumea. Next we study the comets. A comet is a celestial object made up of a head and the tail. The major famous comet is Halley's Comet. This comes every 76 years to the earth. It appears already in 1986 and it will appear in 2061. Okay. Next, asteroids. It is a belt between Mars and Jupiter planet. Next, meteorites. It is a stone or metallic body. It is also called shooting stars. Next, motion of the earth. Earth can be divided into 2 motions. One is rotation, another one is revolution. Rotation means it is the spinning movement of the earth on its axis. Revolution means it is the movement of the earth around the sun on its elliptical path. Next is spheres of the earth. There are 4 spheres: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Okay students, thank you.